Dictation will be start in 5 seconds. Start. Be the change you want to see in others. These simple yet profound words by Mahatma Gandhi serve as a guiding principle for those seeking to make a positive impact in the world. Stop. In a society that often points fingers and waits for someone else to take the lead, ordinary individuals rise to the challenge, working tirelessly to bring about change. Stop. From small acts of kindness to bold initiatives, countless individuals have demonstrated the profound impact of leading by example. Stop. Para. For example, Kailash Satyarthi, an electrical engineer by trade, dedicated his life to combating child labor and advocating for the rights of children. Stop. He founded Bachpan Bachao Andolan, an organization that rescues children from exploitative labor and allows them to receive an education. Stop. Satyarthi's determination and selflessness have resulted in the rescue and rehabilitation of thousands of children, empowering them to shape their futures. Stop. It has also gained him international recognition in the form of a Nobel Peace Prize. Stop. Para. Arun Mudgal grew up in poverty and performed odd jobs, including supplying food to factory workers and working as a farm hand. Stop. Yet, this man with little formal education took on the challenge of promoting women's health and hygiene by creating affordable sanitary napkins after witnessing the suffering his wife had to undergo every month. Stop. He designed a low cost machine that allows women in rural areas to produce their sanitary pads, breaking the taboos surrounding menstruation. Stop. Mudgal efforts have not only improved access to hygiene products but have also created job opportunities for women, enabling them to become self sufficient and challenge societal norms. Stop. Para. Bejwada Wilson was born into a poor family in the infamous Kolar gold fields. Stop. His family, like many from the depressed classes in that area, had to perform manual scavenging, a dehumanizing occupation where individuals manually clean human waste from dry toilets to survive. Stop. He obtained a formal education and now, has devoted his life to eliminating the practice of manual scavenging. Stop. Para. Through his organization, the Safai Karamchari Andolan, Wilson advocates for the rights and dignity of manual scavengers. Stop. His relentless commitment has led to the liberation of thousands of individuals from this inhuman profession and has sparked a nationwide dialogue on the need for systematic change. Stop. Para. The recent surge of environmental activism in India underscores the potency of grassroots movements in driving institutional change. Stop. From individuals advocating for sustainable living practices to communities mobilizing against pollution and deforestation, ordinary citizens are amplifying their voices and demanding accountability from authorities and corporations. At the age of 8, Priya Kumar began campaigning to reduce pollution levels and promote environmental protection in India. At just 9 years old, she was the youngest registered speaker at the COP25 Eliminate Climate Summit in Madrid in 2019. Through her speeches and activism, Priya has also raised awareness about the effects of air pollution on children and works to create cleaner air initiatives. As a result, she has received numerous honors and accolades for her work, including the World Children Peace Prize in 2019 and the Top 100 Child Prodigies Award in 2020. Stop Para. The renowned philanthropist and author Sudha Murthy is another example. Growing up in humble surroundings, she witnessed firsthand the importance of education and empathy. She even initially funded the information technology company Infosys, for which her husband Narayana Murthy became famous later. Instead of merely acknowledging the disparities plaguing her society, she became actively involved in addressing them. Through her philanthropic foundation, she has spearheaded numerous initiatives to improve literacy, healthcare, and rural development, touching the lives of millions across India. Para. At its core, the saying, be the change you want to see in others, champions the idea that meaningful change begins with individual action. It calls upon each of us to embody the values, behaviors, and ideals we wish to witness in our communities and society at large. Instead of waiting for others to initiate progress or for circumstances to improve miraculously, it empowers individuals to take the reins of change into their own hands. As Gandhi said, in a gentle way, you can shake the world. Stop. Let us strive to be the change we want to see, for it is through our actions that we create a ripple effect, influencing the inspiring others to join the journey towards a better and brighter future. Stop.